it's raining while the sun is up, like you can see. Hi guys, it's really raining rapidly, like you can see. Heavy rain. There is flood all over this area, like you can see. Wow. This is how it's raining in the village. Yeah. Look at that. Excess water. The area looks so untidy, but don't mind about that. I want to show you how the area, or how the rain. Over here we have gutter, and that's where we are fetching water from. And on this side, this is where I'll be doing my DIYs, but as you can see, hey, the weeds are all over. Hey, this is my outside kitchen. Sorry, I know it looks funny. I'm under an umbrella. And as you can see the flood, the water is almost entering the kitchen. It's really raining. Look at this. This is what we are undergoing here in the village. Heavy rains, but I thank God. Wow. It's raining rapidly, like you can see. As you can see how the weather looks like, it is really so cold in here. And the floods over here. The water is almost entering my outside kitchen. It's the following day, and as you can see, the sun is up there. Cool weather. No rains at all. Unlike yesterday. Kai? Sasa. Here there was a lot of flood today. There is not. And also over here it was really raining. But today the weather is cool, like you can see. Awesome. We are going to the river. I want to show you how our river is full. Guys, this is the following day, and as you can see the river, it is now full. It is so beautiful after the rains, yesterday's rain. And it's not yet really full, but at least. Wow, awesome. Sometimes it gets so dry, but today, since yesterday, with the way the rain was high, this water is coming from Mount Kenya, okay? From the mountains. We're just next to Mount Kenya, somewhere up there, okay? So, that's the current weather. Done cutting the trees, and now we want to start burning the charcoal over here, okay? This is Mudhandoko tree, okay? Best for charcoal.